You know, it can be difficult to drive a skip lorry, but in Highlands it's a completely different story. Welcome in Glenelg, which is twinned with Glenelg on Mars, and that shows great cooperation between humans and Martians. And if they ever decide to come for a holiday in their fancy camper vans, I'm sure they will want to see this wonderful village. In fact, who knows, maybe they are already here.
Not Mars.
Nope.
Earth.
Earth. Yep.
So enjoy a tour with me through this wonderful village of Glenelg. You just see Kyle Rhea, if I'm saying it right. That's the little loch in front of us, and it is between Loch Alsh and Loch Alsh. War memorial on the left hand side with a sign, no overnight parking, because I'm sure some Martians in camper vans would love to spend a night in such a wonderful spot. Corners, of course, like in proper Scottish village. So Glenelg is a small but wonderful village in a spectacular area placed in western Scotland, and of course in Highlands. It's Rossshire area. And the road to Glenelg is one of my favorite roads, I have to say. It's going past very nice viewpoints. We are going past, to get to Glenelg, we are going past Mam Ratagan. And which means Ratagan Gap or Ratagan Pass. It's a single track road all the way, but the scenery is absolutely outstanding. If you are heading for Isle of Skye, I think it's worth to go via Glenelg, because in Glenelg, as you can see on the sign, there is a ferry. So if you take the road to the left, you will get to the ferry, which will take you up to Skye. It's a very small ferry, and it only goes from April to October. But I think it's worth to have a shot and go through Glenelg to Skye, and then on the way back go over the Shiel Bridge. That's what I would do if I would be for a first time in Scotland. So now we are heading out of the village, heading towards Shiel. So enjoy the scenery.